Okay, this is going to be a demo on how to add employees to a company's account and how to have other employees, which are team members at aluminumcloud.com, view each other. I've already created a standard account. This is not like the company account that I created in the accounts video. I've already created that, so you wouldn't have to watch that again. Okay, and we'll go right over here. Now I've gone ahead and added the avatar there, and my email is in there, password, the address is in there. It's just a dummy one to get going. I added a New York zip code just to be different. Now on the contact type, notice that I've already got a contact and the type is me. We can't show up in anything until we get the contact type me set up. So that's already been done. And the contact phone, you have to have a contact phone set up too as well. So I'll just add a quick phone, and it has to be the work phone. So in order for other company employees to view you and your team members and your employer, you have to have at least the me set up and the work type phone set up. Alright, so at this point we don't have any team members, and if you'll notice it says team members and then social network. Social network hasn't been set up, so we have the team members. And what I'll do is pull up this other profile right here that's a little more in depth, filled out. There's the avatar, and then here's the company info for storefront doors, and here's the employees. Notice that we have two employees in there. We've got Eric in there at vinylwindows.org, and we got this somebody who used a tweet button for their avatar at support at storefront software. And this zip code is here and that one somewhere else. But if you'll notice that in a standard user's account, which is this one for BuilderBits right here, the guy that's logged in right here, and then we have this storefrontdoors.net company who has employees and company info. Now a standard user has team members and there's no company info, but it's going to be very useful for those team members to be able to filter out their other team members to correspond and collaborate on building elevations with other people regardless of where they may be. So what we'll do is, this is to view the employees. You can add a single employee, or you can add employees by bulk. In order to do that, you would just put one per line. So you just put an employee there. You could probably just copy them and then from one location on your desktop and onto there. You could also upload an Excel file and upload a text file. We're just going to add a single employee right now, which is that Eric guy at builderbits.com. He's got that standard account, and he's an employee of us, so we want to add him in there. Alright, we'll go right over here, and now it looks like Eric is added in there, and now these other employees can view Eric as well, and Eric can view those other employees. These different zip codes we've got right here, we can copy that one. This filtering system that we got set up for the employees, you can filter by last name, email, zip code, state, title, time zone, and city, which was going to be really helpful if you need to communicate with a team member that's in California and you're in New York and somebody's called you from California, they need something, you just get on here and help them with their elevations or send their information over, however it is you want to do it. We can filter this out by that zip code. Like that. Do it by time zone. These two are in Central. Do it by state. those filtered out. And then we can go back over here to our standard account, and he didn't have any team members before, but by that company adding his email address to their company, now he's got the team members in their access to. He can filter them just like the company can, he or she can, but they can't update them or change any information, but they can page them. You can also page the employees like that, however you want to do it. Of course, you're probably going to have more than one person on there at a time. All right, and this is the example for the employees and team members.